Imagine waking up in the morning, and your coffee machine automatically starts brewing because your alarm just went off. Your home thermostat adjusts to the perfect temperature while your smart fridge sends you a reminder to buy milk. Sounds futuristic? This is the power of the Internet of Things, or IoT, and it's already here. But what exactly is IoT? And why is it important? Let's find out.
IoT refers to a network of physical devices, like smart home appliances, vehicles, or even wearable tech, that are connected to the Internet. These devices collect and share data, allowing them to work together intelligently without human intervention. It's like giving everyday objects a brain and the ability to communicate with each other. Types of IoT: Consumer IoT, Industrial IoT, Commercial IoT, Infrastructure IoT, Consumer IoT. Personal devices that connect to the Internet, such as smart home gadgets, wearable technology, and personal health trackers. Industrial IoT, interconnected devices used in industrial applications, such as manufacturing, logistics, and energy management. Commercial IoT, tools and systems used outside of the home, such as connected devices in retail and healthcare. Infrastructure IoT, technologies used to support urban infrastructure, such as smart cities and transportation systems. Importance of IoT: Convenience and automation. IoT simplifies daily tasks by automating devices like smart homes and assistants. Industrial efficiency. It boosts productivity and reduces costs through real-time monitoring in factories. Better healthcare. IoT wearables track health data, improving diagnosis and treatment. Smart cities. It enables efficient traffic, energy, and waste management for sustainable urban living. Data insights. IoT collects data for smarter decisions in farming, retail, and more. Real-time examples. Smart homes. Amazon Alexa and Google Nest. IoT-enabled devices like Alexa and Nest automate home lighting, temperature, and security for better convenience and energy savings. Wearable health devices. Fitbit and Apple Watch. IoT wearables monitor heart rate, sleep, and fitness in real time, improving personal health and early detection of issues. Smart agriculture. Soil sensors and drone irrigation. IoT sensors monitor soil conditions and automate watering, helping farmers save resources and increase crop yield. Industrial IoT. Factory sensors. Machines with IoT sensors predict maintenance needs, reduce downtime, and improve efficiency in manufacturing. Smart cities. Traffic and waste systems. IoT technology optimizes traffic flow and waste management, making urban areas more sustainable and livable. Conclusion. IoT is transforming the way we live, work, and interact with technology. From smart homes to healthcare, it's making our world more connected and efficient. And this is just the beginning. Imagine what IoT could look like in the next 10 years. Are you ready to embrace the future? If you found this interesting, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech insights.